香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，3號強風信號現正生效。預料本港平均風速每小時41至到62公里。喺晚上11點，超強颱風摩羯集結喺香港嘅西南偏西大約510公里，即係喺北緯20.3度、東經109.8度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，移入北部灣。摩羯已經掠過雷州半島徐聞縣，並繼續遠離香港。本港風力正逐步減弱，但離岸及高地仍間中吹烈風，3號強風信號將維持一段時間。當摩羯對本港嘅威脅進一步減低時，天文台會改發1號戒備信號或強烈季候風信號。而與摩羯相關嘅強雨帶正影響珠江口一帶，為本港帶嚟狂風驟雨。星期六初時雨勢有時頗大及有猛烈陣風，海有大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個小時，昂坪、橫瀾島及長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時87、69及65公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時111、81及83公里。
Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 11 p.m., Super Typhoon Yagi was estimated to be about 510 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.3 degrees north, 109.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 km per hour, entering Bay Buwan. Yagi has skirted past Shu Wen in Leizhou Peninsula and continues to move away from Hong Kong. Local winds are weakening progressively, but there are still occasional gale winds offshore and on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force for some time. When the threat posed by Yagi is further reduced, the observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, or the strong monsoon signal. An intense rain band associated with Yagi is affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary, bringing squally showers to Hong Kong. Showers will be heavy at times with violent gusts at first on Saturday. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Waglan Island, and Chung Chau Beach were 87, 69, and 65 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 111, 81, and 83 km per hour respectively.